I just stumbled onto a video and a gentleman was showing an easier way to use a pair of vice grips, and I noticed I could improve on that, simplify it a bit more, and he was showing all the ways not to use it. So I'm just going to demonstrate how I do it. Now here's a quick example of how most folks use it. They clamp on, like, oh, I got to loosen it. I got to loosen it more. And then they keep repeating. What you want to do, start with a closed unit and loosen larger than the item. And normally you want vice grips for round items. You can see the jaw is rounded. So you just slide on there and then adjust it until it's snug. Release, just a little bit more, you're tight. You want it tighter, a little bit more. Now it's Superman tight. However, let's say there's a wall or something in the way here and you just want to bite the edge. Same process. Loosen, then tighten, snug. And it doesn't matter the thickness of an item, go loose, snug down, release, tighten up. Thanks for watching. Hope this has helped someone. And now when I think of it, if I come across another tool that's a bit complicated, I'll make a video to clarify usage